Hey everyone, just finished mowing the lawn. It's a hot summer day, so make sure to stay hydrated. Also having hearing protection. These are plug phones. They double as earphones, but also have a decibel reduction foam on the end, so it muffles the loud sounds while allowing you to kind of listen to podcasts or music or whatever while you're doing whatever you're doing. So what I wanted to cover today is at the end of a mowing session, notice it's got lots of grass clippings and all kinds of stuff all over it. I like to clean that off. Two reasons. One, maintenance, make sure the lawnmower stays clean and healthy, but also from a fire prevention safety point of view. A few years ago, I had a family friend who they stored their lawnmower under their deck outside. And it's typical, mowing, puts the lawnmower away, went inside only to have to run back out because their deck was on fire. So what ended up happening was something, we're not sure exactly what. It could have been an oil leak, it could have been an animal, mouse, starting to build a nest on top of the muffler. Those tend, especially on these, tend to be very flat, perfect area for them to start putting twigs and grass and stuff like that. It smoldered, eventually caught and ignited the lawnmower, which then ignited the wood deck. That really alerted me to the importance of making sure you give your equipment time to cool down and make sure it's clean, so that way you do not have an invitation for something like that to happen. So what I typically do is when I'm done, I grab a leaf blower and clean off all the stuff. So let's do that. Be aware if you do have poison ivy in your yard like I do, that could be a recipe for getting it on your hands, so take proper precautions. As you can see, it doesn't take a long time, but it ensures that everything is okay. I know that I've got nothing over there that could smolder. It gives it time for this to cool down so that I know that there's nothing that is going to spark up. I'm gonna let it sit for a little while before I put it away. And typically what I'll do is I won't even start it, I'll just get a little exercise and push it into the garage. So that way I don't have to worry about, creating fresh heat. But anyway, just wanted to do that for you because this is something I felt was very important. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I think it's right down here. And until the next video, see you later.